Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome back to my channel. So in the previous lesson we have discussed about the ikhfa, that was the lesson number 10, and also the lesson number 9 izhar. So those were the roots of tanween and nun sakin. So in the today's lesson we are going to discuss about the jazm sukun. Okay, before starting this video, if you are new to my channel, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please go and subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon. And also please do watch my previous videos, that is from the lesson number 1 to lesson number 10. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. So this is the lesson number 11, jazm sukun. Jazm sukun. So here the other name of jazm is also is sukun. Okay, the other name of jazm is sukun. That means jazm is also called as sukun or sakin. So this is the shape of jazm. You look here, there is a small C, inverted C shape letter present here. It is called as jazm. Okay, so in this lesson we are going to learn about the letters of qalqalah. Letters of qalqalah. Letters of qalqalah are nothing but those letters which produce an echoing sound when we read. Okay, so the letters of qalqala are 5. Those are qaf, ta, ba, jim, dal. Okay, these 5 letters are called as qalqala letters: qaf, ta, ba, jim, dal. These 5 letters are called as letters of qalqala. So whenever you find a jazm upon these letters, then we have to read with an echoing sound by opening our lips. Okay, whenever we found a jazm upon these letters qaf, ta, ba, jim, dal, then we have to read with an echoing sound. That means, for example, you look here, hamza ba zabar ab, like this. You should not write hamza ba zabar ab like this. You should read hamza ba zabar ab, hamza ba zir ib, like this we have to read. That means we have to produce an echoing sound while pronouncing these letters. Okay, so except these 5 letters, we should not do qalqala on any other letter. Except these 5 letters, we should not do qalqala on any other letters. Okay, once again I am explaining, you listen carefully. In this lesson we are going to discuss about the letters of qalqala. Qalqala means those letters which produce an echoing sound. Echoing sound, that means they produce that means they sound bounce back when we pronounce. Okay, so whenever we found a jazm upon these 5 letters, whenever we find a jazm upon these 5 letters, we will read with an echoing sound by opening our lips. So this is a rule. Actually, opening our lips, that means it is nothing but every letter has its own articulation point. So after completion of uh, it, we have to open the lips at last, then an echoing sound will produce here. Okay, so let's start from here. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Hamza ba zabar ab, hamza ba zir ib, hamza ba pesh ub, jim ba zabar jab, jim ba zir jib, jim ba pesh jub, ba jim zabar baj, ba jim zir bij, ba jim pesh buj, sin dal zabar sad, sin dal zir sid, sin dal pesh sud, qaf ta zabar qat, qaf ta zir qit, क़ाफ़ ता पेश क़ुतो, जीम क़ाफ़ ज़बर जक़, जीम क़ाफ़ ज़ेर जिक़, जीम क़ाफ़ पेश जुक़. So here these are the letters where we had to do qalqala. Okay, so look at here, in this there are the letters, both the letters, that means without qalqala we have to read, and also the letters of qalqala are also present here, we have to identify them. Ba sin zabar bas, kaf ta zir kit, jim ain zir ji', sad dal zabar sad, qain lam pesh gul, ta जीम ज़बर तज, वाव हा ज़बर वाह, सीन बा ज़बर सब, हमज़ा हा ज़ेर इह, नून सौद ज़बर नस, लाम क़ाफ़ ज़बर लक़, जीम लाम पेश जुल. So in this, here upon dal we have to do qalqala, as there is jasm present upon dal, and upon jim we have to do qalqala, and here we have to do qalqala on ba and on qaf. Okay, so when in the remaining letters we should not do any qalqala, as they are not coming under the letters of qalqala. Okay, so look from here. या जीम ज़बर यज, आइन लाम ज़बर अल, यजअल यजअल, या जीम ज़बर यज, आइन लाम ज़बर अल, यजअल, लाम ज़बर ला, क़ाफ़ दाल ज़बर क़द, लक़द, लाम ज़बर ला, क़ाफ़ दाल ज़बर क़द, लक़द, ख़ा ज़बर ख़, लाम क़ाफ़ ज़बर लक़, ख़लक़, नून अलिफ ज़बर ना, ख़लक़ना, ख़ा ज़बर ख़, लाम क़ाफ़ ज़बर लक़, ख़लक़, नून अलिफ ज़बर ना, ख़लक़ना, हमज़ा ता ज़बर अत, आइन ज़बर आ, अतअ, मीम ज़बर मा, अतअम, नून अलिफ ज़बर ना, अतअमना, अतअमना, हमज़ा ता ज़बर अत, आइन ज़बर आ, अतअ, मीम ज़बर मा, अतअम, नून अलिफ ज़बर ना, अतअमना, नून क़ाफ़ ज़बर नक़, आइन दो ज़बर अन, नक़अन, नून क़ाफ़ ज़बर नक़, आइन दो ज़बर अन, नक़अन, बा पेश बु, रा वाव जीम पेश रूज, बुरूज, बा पेश बु, रा वाव जीम पेश रूज, बुरूज, मीम पेश मु, हा या ता ज़ेर हीत, मुहीत, मीम पेश मु, हा या ता ज़ेर हीत, मुहीत, हमज़ा हा ज़ेर इह, दाल ज़ेर दी, इह दी, नून अलिफ ज़बर ना, इह दीना, हमज़ा हा ज़ेर इह, दाल ज़ेर दी, इह दी, नून अलिफ ज़बर ना, इह दीना. So here upon jim we have to do qalqala, and here upon dal we have to do qalqala, and here on qaf we have to do qalqala, and here upon ta, and here upon qaf we have to do qalqala, and here on jim we have to do qalqala, and here on ta we have to do qalqala, and here there is no the letter of qalqala. Okay, so this is the lesson number 11, Jazm Sukun. I hope you understood this. So please practice this lesson, and in the next lesson we will discuss about the Mashq Sukun. Okay, Jazakallahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.